Hi everyone, it's me Alex, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use ambient mode on your Samsung Freestyle. So this right here is the Samsung Freestyle. It's right here. So I'm going to go ahead and pass the image right there. Again, even though I moved it, oops. So what you want to do is click on this icon right here. Well, not click. You're going to go ahead and toggle to it. So you're going to click on the left button. And I'm sorry, that's media. I'm sorry. You have to go up here to ambient. You're going to go up and select ambient. And you can go ahead and choose from all this. So this right here is lighting, so you can go ahead and select some signs, or you can go down to scenes. So this is some scenes. Let's say I want to open the field, and it'll load. There you go. It'll take a while to load. And there you go. I do not think it has sound. No, it doesn't. So it's just like a scene. So if you want to have this in your room, have like a window, make it look like a window, you can. So that's pretty much it. You can also select other ones. I'm going to go back. And let's see what else. And I'm going to go ahead and select, let's say, welcome. So this means it's just going to play this sign. Lighting, I think, is just, it's the same thing. It's going to stay on that screen. So let's say if you have a party and you want to keep the sign. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So if you have any questions, you can go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe. Bye.